Otumba Daniel to please kindly step out and unveil as well as launch the complete works of late Chief Hubert Ogunde. Please let's put it together for him. Let's put it together.
The very complete works of late Chief Hubert Ogunde. This work, I am told, is originally put together right in Great Britain, and I'm informed that this work will go for 10,000 naira. Of course, as the government of Ogun State, we are going to purchase several of these which we will use as gift items. And I have no doubt in my mind that when my colleagues also have an opportunity, they will even do much more. Let us give a loud round of applause. That these are the ones that can be described as golden. There are 4 of them immediately available. I think I will give my own first. Your Excellencies, please go and give this one to Kábíyèsí the Ọọ̀ni of Ife. 500,000 naira. Our dear princess, please go and give this to Kabiyesi, the Ọba of Ọ̀kun of Ghana. This one will go to Kabiyesi, your own Iléyá. Èmi ọ̀pá tó Èkìtì. This one, Kabiyesi, Akaribo of Ramaland.
Okay.
Now it is the turn of the very big masquerades, His Excellencies, first and foremost, the Executive Governor of Osun State. And then the package and the person who delivered the package. Your Excellency, the Governor of the State, package only, not his deliverer. His Excellency, the Governor of Ondo State will have this one. Person only, not the deliverer. Let's take the mind of us that the minimum time of this one is 500,000, and I know that His Excellencies will pay for their own royal fathers. Let us also appreciate the person who coordinated all of this. After that, I will go and sit down so that I can also deliver my own. And I will decide as the governor whether it should be passed away or to Alex Makamadi of this.
I have the instruction of His Excellency the Governor of Ogun State that his brother Governor of Oyo State must take one. He's just been informed that his representative is here and is ironically a man of the theater. Papa, I Adebayo Faleti is representing the governor of Oyo State. Will you state that to the governor of Oyo State's representative? Thank you. Bring it down. Can I have the house lights on, please? Wanting to stress this, each of these parks that are available now, you're talking about the complete musical works of Lady Gilbert Ogbonne. Each of these goes for 10,000 naira. I can